You're welcome to Physics with Paulamin, and this is yet another physics video lesson. If you're a Jamb candidate or if you are preparing for one exam or the other, then you have to see through this particular question on the board. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, do well to subscribe for more video lessons such as this. Alright, so let's see this particular question. It says, two identical cells are connected in series. Two identical cells are connected in series with half dash. Okay, option A says same EMF. Option B, same EMF, same internal resistance. Option B says double EMF, double internal resistance. And option C says half EMF, double internal resistance. And option D says double EMF, half internal resistance. Alright, so what will be the correct answer? What is the correct option in this particular question? Alright, so let us break that down a little. Okay, so when we consider the EMF of a cell that are connected in series, okay, the effective EMF of such identical cells is the summation of the EMF of the first cell plus the EMF of the second cell. Now, because they are identical, it means that they will have the same EMF. So the EMF of E1 is equal to the EMF of E2. Therefore, the effective EMF of the two identical cells connected in series will give us E1 plus E1. And E1 plus E1 is equal to 2E1. Okay, so it means double the EMF. If I'm to put E1 as E2, it will be 2E2. The same thing as doubling the what? The EMF. So one of these options here is likely going, two of these options is likely going to be the answer. Option B and option D. Why? Because the EMF will be doubled. Okay, but which of them? Means we still have to go further to confirm internal resistance. Okay, same thing also applies. Every cell has an internal resistance, and when they are connected in series, the effective internal resistance is also the summation of the internal resistance of each of these cells. So cell 1 we have an internal resistance of R1, cell 2 we have an internal resistance of R2. For the fact that they are identical, R1 will be equal to R2. Therefore, the effective internal resistance of the two cells connected in series will be equal to R1 plus R1. And R1 plus R1 will give us 2R1. Alright, so we also see that the internal resistance is also doubled. Okay, so EMF doubled, internal resistance doubled. So our correct option here is option B. Double EMF, double internal resistance. Thank you for watching.